Good morning, students. Yesterday completed the poem number 5, Aunt Jennifer's Tiger by Rena Rich. And today we are going to learn the important question based on extract from the poem. Let's continue, student. The very first question is, how are Aunt Jennifer's tiger described? As you have already read in the poem that Aunt Jennifer's tigers are unafraid. In attacking position, they are the symbol of bravery, they are the symbol of strength. And here Aunt Jennifer tiger described as golden yellow in color, just topaz, yellow topaz. They are bold and fearless as they prance across a screen with confidence. Basically, they were treated as the yellow color. They were dark yellow color that was symbolize the dark yellow topaz. Next question, student. Why are they described as denizens of the world? The world made by Aunt Jennifer as the symbol of her craftsmanship, her art, her talent. Here they have been described as denizens of a world of green because they live in dense green forest. They live in dense green. Basically, the tigers, a wild animal, always live in dense forest. And here the house that had been made by Aunt Jennifer as a panel, and the tiger of Aunt Jennifer living inside that. Next question is here. Why are they not afraid of men? Aunt Jennifer, who always tested by the people around her, her patience, her strength, her capability, her ability, every time she has been given the test of her all inner strength and qualities. Here she just tried to make the tiger unafraid. In the form of the tiger, she has been made the pictures of Aunt Jennifer, the imagery of Aunt Jennifer, full of strength, full of bravery, full of confidence. And the tiger of Aunt Jennifer also the symbol of strength. They are not afraid of men because they are strong, bold and fearless. Yesterday I have taught you that poetess use personification when she resembles the quality of human being and compare it with the tiger's quality, that fearlessness, strength, confidence and everything. So the answer that they are not afraid of men because they are very confident, they are very brave and fearless. And the tiger made by Aunt Jennifer really the example of her inner strength, her inner capability. Why are her fingers fluttering? She is making her panel with the help of ivory needle. Ivory needle are really easy to be carried because it's very soft and very light weighted. But because of her weakness, not only the weakness of her physique but the inner weakness also, she is not able to continue the waving through the help of the ivory needles. That shows her hands are flittering, that her fingers are flittering because she is terrorized and traumatized by the constraint of her married life. She had just fulfilled her marriage relationship not as full of happiness but as a burden. Next question. Why is the wedding band described as massive? Wedding band, poetess is hyperbole. Wedding band means the ring of the marriage, ring that is the symbol of her married life. It's look very massive, very heavy to Aunt Jennifer. That is, Aunt Jennifer feel burdened by the weight of the marital responsibilities and all the commitments she has made. She feels that subjected and it's not able to express herself. The massive wedding band exerts heavy pressure on her hand. It symbolizes her bondage. It sits heavily on her hands, suggesting that she feels overburdened with her husband's overpowering presence. Because Aunt Jennifer lived throughout the life and the fear of her husband. It was the relationship of her marriage. It's like a burden to her. She never lived a moment very happily and pleasantly. In spite of that, she has fulfilled all the commitment and responsibilities throughout her life. But it was a part of her strength that she has fulfilled all the commitment that was only one-sided. But here she has become very weak because all the time she suffered a lot. And now her fingers are fluttering, but Aunt Jennifer created really the image of the character. Next question, student. Why do you think Aunt Jennifer created image different from her character? The image she has made that is different, really different from her character. What image she has been made that was different from her character? Because Aunt Jennifer symbolizes herself as a lady that she was very weak, but she continuously just tried to fulfill all the commitment, and now she is making the image of tigers full of strength, bravery, fearless and all. And why she has been made these kind of images? Tigers are symbol of strength. They are fearless and confident. Aunt Jennifer yearns for freedom from a male-dominated society. She wants to be free and fearless, like the tigers in the forest. And therefore, she creates images of bright topaz tiger. She just wants to reveal her inner power. She just wants to reveal her inner strength. It was not the part of her weakness that she fulfilled the relationship throughout the life, but it was the part of her strength, part of her bravery, part of her power that she has fulfilled all the responsibility of her marriage successfully. But now she just want to be reveal all the inner strength just in the form of her tapestry that is made by the panel, and she is making this because she is not weak at all, but she was really responsible because she has fulfilled all the commitment of her marriage life. Okay, next question, student, that is important to you. Why is she ringed with ordeals? She all the time tested by her husband, patience, her calm, everything. She is ringed with ordeals because marriage has brought with in a host of family responsibilities, which she is ringed or surrounded. All the time she was surrounded by all the responsibilities she have to be fulfilled. She feels so burdened by her marital constraint that they seem like an ordeal to her. What is the difference between her and her tiger? There was a great difference between Aunt Jennifer and tiger. Aunt Jennifer is quite weak and submissive, whereas the tigers are strong, bold and powerful. She is bound by the constraint of her married life, while the tigers are free to move about in green woods. What? She is living like a slave inside her own home. But tiger, they just want to live free in the dense and the deep forest. Why has Aunt Jennifer created the tiger so different from her own character? The tiger created by Aunt Jennifer are expression of her own desire to live free to herself from the constraint of her married life. She wants to be bold and fearless like her tigers. It was her desire to live free life as a tiger. Why are Aunt Jennifer's hands terrified? Her hands are terrified because hands reflect her terror due to the ordeals and hardship she has been faced throughout the married life. She has to face in her married life all those moments that she has been suppressed and dominated by her own husband because of the male dominated society. Why did she make it the tiger? Why she has chosen to make the tigers for this craftsmanship? She has created tigers which are symbol of confidence, symbol of fearlessness, because she wants to be like them. She wants to break away from the rules that have tethered her all her life, because the animals living in the wild animals living in the dark and deep and dense forest, they don't have any kind of rules and regulations to be followed. They don't need to be live in the limitations created by the human being. But here Aunt Jennifer, who is living the life that is in the premises of all the rules and regulation made by the human beings, especially in male dominated societies. But tiger made by Aunt Jennifer, they have no any kind of restrictions or limitations to live their life according to the rules and regulations set by the human beings. What will happen to her tiger after her death? That is the most important question. What will happen to her tiger after her death? The tiger are eternal. They will keep tiger. It means the tiger, she has been made in her craftsmanship, the part of that craftsmanship. They will keep on prancing even after her death. The tiger made by Aunt Jennifer, they will always remain. They will always be in attacking position even after her death. She probably wants to convey that the tiger, that is men, will still be fearless and the condition of women will not change. How are the tiger different from her? Aunt Jennifer tiger provide a striking contrast to her. The old lady is weak and can't move and terrified fingers are fluttering and without trembling. On the other hand, her tiger symbolize strength, speed and power. That is the main theme of the poem, that Aunt Jennifer is just trying to represent, just trying to reveal her inner strength, her power, that she is not so weak. It was not her part of weakness that she has fulfilled the relationship, fulfill the dominance, all the dominance in her life. She has fulfilled all the marital commitment also, but it was the part of her strength. These are the important questions, student, and some of the question I will send you through our school group, and you have to revise in, write down in a notebook. Thank you. Goodbye.